Hi there. I'm a little late to this party, I know. I'm just now getting around to learning and listening to Reckless Love by Cory Asbury. It's a beautiful song, brilliantly written. The concept behind it is amazing, and the chord structure is so simple. And so I want to show you today the chord voicings that Cory is using when he plays this song, both on the acoustic version, the official acoustic version, and also on the official live version. When he plays it on the acoustic version, he's in the key of E. When he plays it the live version, he's in the key of F. So he's capoed up one fret using the exact same chord shapes. I remember when I was a young worship leader, I would find the chord charts and I would play these songs exactly the way the charts said, but they sounded different. And I never understood it until I got to Bible college and I was taught these chord voicings, these chord shapes. And they're very simple because they're all within 4 frets. And you don't have to move. This one is actually within 3 frets. You're not moving your hand up and down the neck. You're in the same place. You're using open strings in the key of E that just work perfectly. And honestly, if you're in a congregation smaller than about 150, you can take all of these live version songs and you can drop them 1 step and in many cases 2 full steps. Music is our liturgy. Liturgy means to participate. And so we want to make these songs accessible to most people. And so drop these songs down a key. Play them in E, play them in G. E, F, and G is kind of the sweet spot. Guitar players hate F, so you kind of land in E and G most of the time. If you want to be nice to your piano player, you can do songs in F occasionally. But this one it is in the key of E. He starts on the 6, which is the C sharp minor. So I'm going to show you these chord shapes, and they work all up and down the neck. So this particular one, the C sharp minor, he's starting there, and the way that you play this shape is you put your ring finger in the 4th fret on the A string. And then you're going to take your pointer finger, you can put it on the 2nd fret of the D string. And then you're going to take your pinky, put it on the 4th fret of the G string. And there's your C sharp minor. Then to play the B, all you're going to do is you're going to swap your pointer finger and your ring finger. So you're going to move your ring finger down 1 string and your pointer finger up 1 string. So your E is open, pointer finger 2nd fret on the A string, your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and your pinky on the 4th fret of the G string. Then to play the A, you're going to lift your ring finger, you're going to move your pointer finger down a string, and there's your A. And then to get the E, you're going to bar the A and the D string right there. That's the whole song. In the verses, he doesn't go to the A. He goes C sharp, B, A, and then C sharp, B, A. And then in the chorus, he finishes that phrase by adding the E, the root, to that phrase. So here's how it sounds. That's the whole song, verse, chorus, bridge. It just goes around and around and around in a circle. So if you're playing that song by yourself, keep it in the key of E, use the open strings, and just be a blessing to the people that you're leading. So if you have questions, feel free to message me, reach out to me. I'm all over the place. But I hope this is a help and a blessing to you. And again, you can use those shapes all up and down the neck. Just play around with them. Some places you can use open strings and some not. So thanks again for taking a look. I hope this helps, and be blessed.